Carnotaurus. Hopefully it's Demon Carnotaurus. There we go, Demon Carnotaurus.
You recording now? Hold on.
What?
Are you recording already?
Yeah.
That looks cool. Very
Ooh.
fiery. Are you checking if there are different skins?
There are.
There are.
Orange one.
It's Demon.
Orange. Okay. Police in progress. Let's see this one.
Wow.
Ooh, that's actually nice. Maybe this is a good one. Maybe this is the non-evil one. Can I have that one too? The Arab. This is a yellowish orangey one with spots this time.
Yeah. And they'll have green eyes. Demons have the
Demons have the what?
green eyes.
What? They shouldn't. Yeah? Oh, this is more of a pale. Like when the lost its color. I think we missed one. No, it wasn't you. Not you two. They're both fabulous. Confused. Nah, really, I don't think we missed any. The Kelenken, I think. Yes, the Terror Bird!
Wow, look at that. Wow. Done it really well.
Then applying Terror Bird. Ooh, this one is nice. It's like a snow one with a purple eye.
But look at purple eye, yeah.
And with a different beak. Or they have the same beaks. What's Tundra like? I also want to see Rainforest. Tundra's like applying. Yeah! Tundra is the same as applying.
Lane.
A plane or whatever. But it's kinda darker. I think. Rainforest? I hope Rainforest is a blue one. No, the same. Don't say there's only 2 skins. What's coastal? Ah, there's only 2 skins. There's like hundreds of Terror Birds. Only 2 skins, Dad. Disappointing. Black Dilophosaurus.
It's a Hessi Mostra.
Yeah,
Hessi Mostra.
yeah. Ultimatosaurus. Did you put Ultimatosaurus?
What?
Did you put Ultimatosaurus?
I haven't.
Ah, come on. Oh, look. They're like, we're gonna kill this Manchosaur. They're like in a group. See?
Yeah. Look at that.
Is that the leader? No, that's just the for water. All of them are looking for water. Looking for water, looking for water. Oh wait, roaming, looking for water. Drinking, 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 drinking. Roaming. I mean panicking. Oh, the terror bird made them panic.
Yeah?
Well, it's actually kind of small, right, Dad? The terror bird's kind of small. This terror bird might turn around and go. But so anyway, guys, hope you had a good time watching. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and bye.